Hey ChatGPT, can you write me a killer listing for a house with a pool and a great backyard?
This charming bedroom home features a stunning backyard oasis complete with a pool. Perfect for summer entertaining. The expansive patio offers...
Okay. That's good. Seriously, this AI is game changing for realtors. Today, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT is the secret weapon you didn't know you needed, and how it can save you time and money and make your life way easier. All right, so ChatGPT, what is it? Well, in simple terms, it's like having an assistant that works 24/7 and never complains. It can write emails, listing descriptions, social media posts, and even handle those difficult clients. And it's gonna make you look like a genius. Hey, ChatGPT, can you write me a follow-up email for a lead that hasn't responded in 2 weeks?
Sure thing. Here's your email. Hi. I just wanted to follow up and see if you're still interested in the properties we discussed. I'm here to answer any questions you might have and help in any way I can. Let's chat soon.
Wow, that's actually perfect. And I didn't even have to lift a finger. All right, ChatGPT, let's see what you really got. Write me an email to an angry customer that's mad about their delayed closing.
Of course. Here's your email. Hi, client. I completely understand your frustration with the delayed closing. I want to assure you that I'm doing everything I can to speed up the process, and I'll keep you updated every step of the way. I truly appreciate your patience, and I'm here to answer any questions you may have. Thank you again for your understanding.
Thanks, ChatGPT. That's better than my "I'm sorry, I don't control the universe" email. You can do so much with this, and I've done it myself before. Sometimes we don't see eye to eye with people, and emails back and forth don't necessarily go the greatest, or somebody's upset, or maybe it's even a text message. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. You can even tell it the tone you want, saying, I want this tone, and I want you to be empathetic, and whatever that may be, and ChatGPT is going to totally write it out for you. Of course, you can make changes if you need to, so it sounds like it's more coming from you, but these always have an amazing response that I never could do, and it does it literally in seconds. Okay, let's get into one of my personal favorite uses. Okay, ChatGPT, hit me with a killer Facebook ad for a listing of mine.
How about this? Stunning 3-bedroom home with pool. Your dream backyard awaits. Act fast. This gem won't last long.
Okay, ChatGPT, you're hired. Of course, that was very brief and that was very broad of what I gave it, but I find with ChatGPT, the more information I can give it, the better. So if I can say, hey, this is what this home's about, this is what it has, and this is kind of the point I want to get across, and this is my call to action, and this is what I want to have people do. So based off of that, give me 10 different title ideas that you have for my Facebook ad. ChatGPT is going to lay them out, and I can kind of pick and choose which one I like the best, or I can alter them, and I can continue the conversation with ChatGPT. And this is how a lot of my new ads are now created. I'm having conversations back and forth with ChatGPT and eventually getting a winner. It's like me having a marketing mastermind in my pocket, and they're not costing me the hundreds of dollars per hour to have these conversations with them. And they get me the results and get me the information back right away without having to wait weeks.
Lead nurturing? Check. Listing descriptions? Done. Handling difficult clients? No problem.
All right, ChatGPT, you're getting a little cocky now, but I like it. So whether you're needing help with writing emails, creating Facebook ads, or just getting through your day, ChatGPT is definitely the secret tool that you could use in your toolkit. And sky's the limit. I've just touched on a little bit in this video, but I have it where it's responding to my leads and my realtors' leads in our platform. This thing is incredibly amazing. And that's it for today. If you have some more insight on ChatGPT, you have more questions, make sure to comment. Also, if you're wanting to get started with Facebook ads and start bringing in some leads, so in time you can integrate it with ChatGPT to have them convert those leads into customers, then make sure to comment below with Facebook ads, and I will send you my free guide of my 5 killer Facebook ads that generated me 268 leads in just 7 days. And of course, as always, if this video was a benefit, make sure to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell to be notified of future videos that I post on Facebook ads. Thanks again. I hope you have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.